Hello from Las Vegas and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So now that we're in Vegas visiting for the last part of our trip, we're gonna take you guys with us to take the kids to the Springs Nature Preserve. We're trying to do stuff in the morning because it's so hot in Vegas. So we're trying to get the kids out early, do some stuff with them, and then come back to the house before it gets too hot. So I'm here with my sister Nicole. We've got Dominic and Izzy in the back, and then Diego rode with his uncle Andrew and Xander in a different car because we couldn't all fit in one. So we're gonna take you guys to the nature preserve, show you what we've got going on today. If you like what you're watching, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Let's take these kids and burn out some energy.
Turn around.
Let me see your stamp. Come here. Let me see. Okay, wait for everybody to get their stamp. It's a turtle. Thank you. Headed to the museum first.
Oh, that one doesn't work.
Hey, Letty, look! Come here!
Whoa. How cool is this? Push the button, it lights them up.
No, can I try? Push. Can I try? Hey, what's this, Tia?
Oh, wow. Whoa, those are puzzles. How cool.
You can see it better. It's like a magnifying.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Look, cowboy, papers, ball.
Oh yeah, there's birds. Did you see the bear? Look at the bear. Look at the bear.
Here.
The bear looks cool. Izzy, are you going on the train? Are you going on the train? You guys excited? Whoa. Choo-choo train.
For exploration, features historically accurate furnishings. Restrooms in this part of the Springs Preserve can be found in the train depot and on the second floor of waterworks. As we come to a stop, please do not exit the train until the train conductor...
You want the mango? Oh, do you want mango or this?
This one.
Mango?
Mango?
I want that one.
Strawberry shortcake again?
Yeah.
Yay!
Wow. My shoes.
He's never been fishing before. He tried to hop in there. Hey, bro, that's not how fishing works. Oh, you caught one!
Huge fish.
So did Xander. And Nicole's an umbrella.
The one in the middle.
Power the town.
It'll get better, I promise. There's good people.
Advertisement.
Oh, look, I'm gonna drive the train. Tickets, please. Tickets. Give me your ticket. Or get off my train.
Oh, look, Diego's already on the train.
Tickets, please.
Whoa. That is so cool, huh? Yeah, she doesn't have a face, you're right.
Hold on, everybody.
look.
Look up high.
Buddy,
See him on top?
how do you two?
You collect like nature items when you're on walks or hiking or whatever. So like rocks, leaves. You can even do like dead bugs if you want.
Yeah.
And then you take them to this nature exchange, and they give you a point system, and you get to exchange them for other cool rocks and gems and seashells,
Cool.
just to promote like kids getting outside and yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Nicole. Let's go exchange our stuff. All right. Now it's time to exchange all of the things that they collected on their walks.
What's your last name, Dominic?
Yes.
Take it out of the bag and show me what you got.
Okay, Shore, what you got in your bag?
Cool. Put it down there on the desk. Let's look at it. What else have you got?
Math writer. It looks like this math writer. Here we go.
Where'd you find them?
That's a T-Rex dinosaur Rex.
T-Rex Dinosaur Rex.
You found them in the desert by our house, huh?
Thank you.
Here's a big test for you both.
Here.
Is this a girl pine cone or a boy pine cone?
Thank you.
What do you
It
think?
is a pine cone.
Do you think it's a girl one or a boy one?
I'm a boy one.
No. It's a girl.
Gross.
You want to see a boy?
Where we got all these rocks, there was a big rock that had like this. It broke off a chunk.
Oh.
Yep, and Allie.
Hold on. Got your tears. So those are the two you're gonna get with your 150 points.
Yes.
Nice. All right, take them up to the front counter. Wow, cool monster, buddy.
Good. Clean up our mess.
Do you wanna do one too?
So you pick out a rock and then go here.
Yep. Yeah. Let's see your geode. Whoa. Let's see. Cool. Ready to get yours broken? All right. Whoa. Wow, look. Super cool, huh? Cool. Oh, there's not a dinosaur in it. Whoa.
Oh, it's got the hole. Nice.
Cool.
Put it in your bag.
Whoa. Oh, nice choice, Diego. Let's see. Cool.
Looks like a cave.
That's cool, Diego. All right, guys, so we are done at the Springs Nature Preserve, and now we are headed back. Dominic fell asleep. Izzy is not asleep. But we had a lot of fun, so highly recommend it. My sister has a year membership, like a family pass for a year. Definitely worth it. They have a lot of stuff there. Definitely keeps your kids entertained. We were there for like, what, 3 hours? Yeah, so we killed 3 hours with these kids. So now we're going to take them home and do some lunch, and I'll show you guys a little bit of what we're doing with the rest of our day, and we'll just make this a full day vlog. It's got ham and cheese and a french fry. Is it delicious? And then these kids have Happy Meals. Are you guys eating? Oh yeah, and then we got some fruit. All right, so we left the little ones with Andrew, my brother-in-law. We got Nicole and Diego here. Oh, and we are going into Michael's because we're working on a surprise for Fidel. We're not going to tell you what we're doing yet, but we'll update you guys. So we'll take you guys into Michael's with us. Good gravy. Having fun at Michael's?
No.
These are all vertical. All right, so now we're taking the kids over to the library. They've been doing a summer reading and activity program because we actually came in on May 15th. So Diego and Dominic have been participating in it with Xander. So we're taking the kids over, and once they hit a certain level, they get to go in and get a book. So that's what they're doing. This is not my brother-in-law's first rodeo. He brings a backpack.
My mom bought us.
It's amazing. It's a good idea, so you can get just a bunch of books.
That's mine, that's mine. That's
Is that the one you picked out? Xander's looking through them too.
Alright, put Luca in here.
I want to read it.
Dominic, if you're getting that one, put it in Uncle Andrew's backpack.
That's my double. That's my
Yeah, put it in there, sir. You're just borrowing it. And what about you, madam? What book are you gonna get? They found the kitchen play area. What are you doing? Are you gonna come play?
Everything in back. Put everything back. Nothing is
What do you got there?
I'm bleeding up.
What's that? Strawberry jam. Yum. That's jam. Can you say jam? Jam. And here is Diego's section. Graphic novels and manga.
Have this, and they have all these I'm looking at.
Yeah. So yeah, you could totally just borrow books here and then save the ones that you bought for back home. Now they're picking out their books for their reading challenge. Diego gets one from the top shelf and the boys get one from the bottom shelf. Did that come out of the book? Here, put it back inside the book. All right, everybody got their free book that they get to keep. And then they rented a whole bunch of books for bedtime stories. And now we're headed back to the house.